Hi everyone, it's Michael from Michael Beach Accountancy. Just a quick update about some pretty major changes that are coming at the moment in capital gains tax. The capital gains tax situation affects different kinds of people, really. So, if you've got a buy to let property that you're renting out, one day you might be looking at selling that, and the capital gains tax allowance can come in handy to reduce that profit that you make on that buy to let sale. So historically, we've had 12,300 as a capital gains tax allowance. Now, this runs concurrently alongside the personal tax allowance. So your personal tax allowance of 12,570 would be for your trading side of things, and then you would also have a 12,300 capital gains tax allowance. Unfortunately, that ends in the last tax year that we've just finished. So for the tax year from the 6th of April 2022 to the 5th of April 2023, the 12,300 capital gains tax allowance has now gone. As we move down into the next tax year, the one that we're in at the moment, so that runs to the 5th of April 2024, that one has got a £6,000 capital gains tax allowance. Now, as you can imagine, with that drop from 12,300 to 6,000, a lot more people are going to get captured inside of either having to do a capital gains tax declaration on a self-assessment or a capital gains tax on a buy-to-let situation where you need to file it digitally and report it within 60 days and pay the capital gains on 60 days as well. It used to be worse when it first came out because it was 30 days, which is a very short time span to get all your paperwork together and get that capital gains tax calculation done. And that was for both yourself as an accountant and your client as well. So it also is going to get worse, I'm afraid. In the following tax year, which is a way off, I understand, but the 5th of April 2025 to that tax year, the capital gains tax allowance goes all the way down to 3,000. Now, again, there's going to be an awful lot of people captured in that. Now, there are different types of people, like I've said it before, who fall into capital gains. So you can have your buy-to-let where you sell your buy-to-let property. You can have shares. Gains on shares can be sizable sometimes. Cryptocurrency is one of them. And cryptocurrency does fall under capital gains as well. And then you might have other kinds of gains as well on certain types of assets that could come into capital gains too. So it could be, as we wind down this tax year and into the following tax year, that some of the cryptocurrency people do make some sizable gains on that crypto. And that would fall into, quite easily with it, you make more than 6,000 capital gains and have to report that. Buy-to-lets is, that situation with buy-to-lets from the 12,300 allowance down to 6,000, that's going to mean that you're going to pay quite a lot more tax on those sales of your properties. So if you are an owner of a buy-to-let property and perhaps you've traded on those buy-to-let properties for quite some time and you were thinking of offloading that buy-to-let and selling it and going out to the market perhaps, or retirement or something, perhaps this is the year to do it rather than next year. Because if the 6,000 allowance this year, you're going to get a bit more allowance than the 3,000 the following year. And the other thing is shares as well. Shares sometimes, if you've got a portfolio of shares, sometimes you might have an investment company who work on your behalf on a portfolio, and they would have gauged it historically that they would, try to keep your capital gains within 12,300. So now they'll try perhaps to keep those gains within 6,000, but of course that means less money for you with your gains, doesn't it, if they're trying to go downwards on keeping within the allowances and not having to report that capital gains. So that's just an update to keep you in the loop about capital gains. It is a bit of a niche. It doesn't affect all of us, but it does affect those people who've got buy-to-let properties for the future. Cryptocurrency holders who might need to declare something, and also shares. Okay. Thanks a lot, and do have a look at our website, which is www.mbaccountancy.uk. You can give us a call. Our number's on the website, and you can also drop us an email if you want to discuss anything. info@mbaccountancy.uk. We're also open to brief discussions on Discord app. You can get it on the Google Play Store, or you can get it on Apple Store. We can do a 30-minute consultation with you for free. That won't be a problem. So do get in touch if you want to discuss anything. Okay, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.